This is what I see when I come around the corner. It's like a double-decker sandwich. They look so much alike. They love this window. Really love this window. Look at them. They look like brother and sister. They're not even related. It's like a double-decker sandwich. Oh, it's a beautiful day out there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. See how they appreciate all the noises. There's her little tail going. See, she's happy. Hey, guys. Hey, Mel. Oh, really? Move your tail, Mel. Come on. Cutie pie. Look at her tail. Look at the little white spot. Isn't that adorable?